my channel today. This is King's Tutor. If this is the first time of joining us, ensure you like, please comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for clicking to this. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your support thus far. Okay, now we want to see a question on departmental accounts, though we have seen various videos on that. Ensure you check up here to see that, or you check in my description. Okay, you will see introduction video on departmental account and various videos on that. So let's see the question. It says the following balances were extracted from the books of Adebola Enterprises for the year ended 31st December 2019. We have sales for Department A, 104,000, Department B, 136,000, Department C, 60,000, all sum up to be 300,000. We have purchases, Department A, 60,000, Department B, 90,000, Department C, 50, all sum up to be 200,000. We have insurance, 1,600. We have commission paid, 7,000. We have rent and rates, 4,920. We have delivery expenses, 1,400. We have administrative expenses, 9,120. We have discount received, 1,540. We have salaries, 36,600. We have advertising, 2,420. We have depreciation, 4,200. Now we have opening stock for Department A, B, and C, 14,000, 24,000, and 6,000. All sum up to be 44,000. We have closing stock, Department A, B, and C, all sum up to be 61,000. Now, additional information. Expenses are to be apportioned on the following basis. A. Advertising, commission, and delivery expenses to sales. Y. Salaries, depreciation, rent and rates, administration expenses equally. Then discount received is to purchases. Then D. Insurance ratio, 5:3:2 to A, B, and C respectively. Now, the question, you are required to prepare departmental trading profit or loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019. Okay, so let's solve the question. Now, we're going to start with the additional information. If you are used to this channel, I said most time, if you're solving a question that have adjustment or additional information, you should start from there. Okay, now let's see the adjustment. Now, we have done it before. I said it. We have seen how to solve adjustments. Okay, I'll just drop it in the description below, or check the previous video on departmental account. Okay, so now the name of the owner is Adebola Enterprises. Okay, so the first one said we should apportion expenses. The first one is advertising. We should do that to sales. And let's first of all get the ratio of sales. Okay, now sales for Department A is 104,000 from the question. Department B is 136,000. While Department C is 60,000. Everything sum up to the 300,000. So we're going to use this as a ratio, since they said for that certain expenses we should use the sales. Okay, so the first one is advertising. In additional information there, advertising. So advertising will now be for Department A. Advertising. Now we'll get this now, 104,000 divided by the total of all this, which is this 300,000, times the value for advertising, the actual expenses for advertising, which is from the question 2,420 over 1. Okay, so if we do this using our calculator, it will give us 839 approximately to the whole number. Okay, so that's the first one for Department A. Now another, we have Department B. Okay, so Department B will be 136,000 divided by the whole total, which is 300,000, times 2420 over 1. Okay, so if we do that, it will give us 1097 And Department C will have 60,000 divided by 300,000 times 2420 over 1. So if we do this also, we have 484. Okay, so that's the first one. Now the next one is the commission. So we have commission. Okay, so for the commission now, we'll have Department A will now be the same 104,000 divided by 300,000 times the amount for commission from our question is 7,000 over 1. So this divided by this times 7,000 will give us 2427. Okay, the next one is Department B. And Department B is 136,000 divided by 300,000 times 7,000 over 1. So this will give us 3173. Okay, so the next one is Department C. I'll have Department C as 60,000 divided by 300,000 times 7,000 over 1. So if we do that, it will give us 1,400. That's for commission. Okay, now the next one is delivery expenses. So we'll have here delivery expenses. Delivery expenses for Department A, it is 104,000 divided by 300,000 times the amount for delivery expenses is 1,400. So over 1 we have 485. Okay, the next one for Department B will have 136,000 divided by 300,000 times 1,400 over 1. So we'll have 635. And Department C will have 60,000 divided by 300,000 times 1,400 over 1. So we'll have 280. Okay, so that is for the first one, the first adjustment. Now the next one, which is B, they said salaries, depreciation, rent and rates, and administration expenses is to be apportioned equally. Okay, so since they said equally and we have 3 departments, so it means it is what 1/3 for each. Okay, so the first one there, so let's get the ratio for equally. The next one is B. It said equally. Okay, equally. So since we have 3 departments, it will be 1/3 for them. Okay, so in this now, we'll now have for the first expenses there is salaries. Okay, so we have salaries for Department A. Department A, it is 1/3 times the amount for salary. The amount of salary is 36,600. Okay, from the question there, the amount of salary is 36,600. So if we do that, it will give us 12,200. So that is for Department A. Then Department B is the same, 1/3 because I said equal. 6,600 divided by this will give us 12,200. And the next one, Department C, same 1/3 times 36,600. It will give us 12,200. That's for the 3 departments. Okay. The next one, we go to depreciation. So for depreciation now, we'll have Department A. Department A, it's same equally 1/3 times the amount for depreciation is 4,200. Okay, so 1/3 times 4,200 will give us 1,400. Okay, so the next is Department B, the same 1/3 times 4,200 over 1 will give us 1,400, and the same Department C as 1/3 times 4,200 will give us 1,400. Okay, so that's for depreciation. The next one is rent and rates. Rent and rates. Rent and rates. Okay, so rent and rates is also equally. So we have Department A as 1/3 times. Now, what is the amount for rent and rate? It is 4,920. 4,920. So 1/3 times this will give us 1,640. Okay, for Department B is still the same. 1/3 times 4,920 will give us 1,640, and for Department C is same as 1/3 times 4,920 as 1,640. That is for rent and rates. While the next one is administration expenses. So we have admin expenses. Admin expenses. And the admin expenses for Department A, same equally as 1/3 times. What's the amount for the expenses of admin? 9,120. 9,120. So that will give us 3,040. For Department B, it's same as 1/3 times 9,120 as 3,040, and same Department C as 1/3 times 9,120 as 3,040. Okay, so that is the equally. Okay, that is doing it equally. That's the B. Now that of the C from the question, it is discount received to purchases. Discount received to purchases. Okay, discount received to purchases. So we're going to do it here. Just you can write down this part so that you can use this part to solve the question. So you can write down this part. Can pause the video and write down this part, and let's do that of the C and D here. Okay. Okay. Now let's do the C. It says the C, a discount received. A discount received. The ratio should be of purchases. Okay. So we have Department A. Department A. Now, if you check the purchases there, Department A is 60,000 divided by the total of the 3 departments for the purchases is 200,000 times what is the amount for discount received? The amount for discount received from the question is 1,540. 1,540. 1,540. Okay, so if we do that, 60,000 divided by 200,000 times 1,540, it will give us 462. As for Department A, the next one is Department B. Department B, for the purchases, if you check there, also you see Department B is 90,000 divided by the total, which is 200,000 times 1,540. Okay, for the amount for discount received. So 90,000 divided by 200,000 times 1,540, we have 693. That's Department B. Then Department C, from their purchases, is 50,000 divided by 200,000 times 1,540 over 1. So we have 50,000 divided by 200,000 times 1,540. We have 385. So that's discount received. That's the third one. Now the last one for the apportionment, which is D, they gave us, they said insurance ratio. should be 5:3:2 to A, B, and C. So let's get the ratio first. They say 5:3:2 for A, B, and C. So if you add it up, 5 plus 3 plus 2 will give us 10. So the total is 10. So for department A, it will be 5/10. Department B, it is 3/10. Department C, it is 2/10. Okay? So if we do that for the insurance, we'll have for department A now, it is 5 over the total is 10 times what is the amount for insurance? 1,600 over 1. So 5 divided by 10 times 1,600, it is what? 800. And the next one, department B, is 3/10 times 1,600. So we'll have 3/10 times 1,600 is 480. And for department C, it is 2/10 times 1,600. So we have 2/10 times 1,600. We have 320. Okay, so that is the apportionment for the expenses that was given and the income. Okay, so now let's prepare the question they asked us, departmental trading profit and loss account. Now we have done that, we have seen the format. Ensure you check in the other video to see the format. Now let's prepare this. Now we have departmental trading profit or loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019. Okay, so if we do this and we draw the middle, and we have 3 departments. Okay, departments A, B, and C. Okay, A, B, and C. Okay, so we have department A, we have department B, we have department C, we have department A, we have department B, we have department C. Okay, so now we're going to start. Now the first thing we should do is the opening stock. Okay, so we're going to check there. Now if you check the opening stock for department A, it is 14,000. For department B, it is 24,000. And department C, it is 6,000. Okay, that's opening stock. The next thing is to add purchases. So add purchases. Okay, so for department A, the purchases is 60,000. Department B, it is 90,000. And department C, it is what? 50,000. So when we add it up, now this one will give us 74,000. This one will give us 114,000. And this will give us 110,000. Okay. The next one, we'll check if there's carriage inwards there in the question. Is there any carriage inward? No. Now check if there is return outwards. Is there any? No. Now let's have closing stock. Now let's closing stock. Now the closing stock there for department A, it is 21,000. Department B, it is 30,000. And department C, it is 10,000. So if we do that, now deducting this, now we have 53,000. Now we have 84,000. We have 100,000. Okay, we have 100,000. So this is the cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold. Now let's have our sales at the right hand side. Now the value for sales for department A is 104,000. 104,000. For department B, it is 136,000. For department C, it is 60,000. Okay, is there return inwards? No. So we're going to get our gross profit. So the sales minus the cost of goods sold will give us a gross profit carry down. Okay, so using our calculator, now the sales is 104,000 for department A. 104,000 minus 53,000 will give us 51,000. Okay, the next one, 136,000 minus 84,000 will give us 52,000. While the next one is department C, have a sales of 60,000, and we have our cost of goods sold. This is supposed to be 56,000, not 110,000. It is 6,000 plus 50,000 as 56. Okay, so also 56. So that's 56,000. I thought it is 60,000. It is 6,000 plus 50, that's 56. So 56,000 minus 10 is 46,000. Okay, so we are in line now. So 46,000, 60,000 minus 46,000 will give us 14,000. That's our gross profit. So that when we add them together, this will give us 104,000 to give us 136,000, and this will give us 60,000. The same as this. This is 104,000. 4,000. Next one is 136,000. Next one is 60,000. Okay, so that is that. So this gross profit carried down, it is now brought down here as gross profit brought down. So department A is 51,000, department B is 52,000, and department C is 14,000. Okay, now here we have to list now our expenses we have done. So we have apportioned them to each department. You see the reason for apportionment, so while you are putting to each department, you also want to post them. So we are going to go to our question so that we'll not miss any item. So we'll start from the top, the value that is expenses that we are going to put here. The first item there is sales. We have recorded, that's not an expense. Purchases we have recorded, and the next one is insurance. Okay, so insurance, we have done the apportionment here. Look at it, insurance, department A. So right here, insurance, for department A, it is 800. For department B, it is 480. And department C, it is 320. Okay, the next one from the question there is commission paid. Commission, the paid. Okay, so we did commission. We apportioned, we did commission. It was the one that was here before we cleaned it. So the commission paid for department A, it is 2427. 2427. Department B, it is 3173. And department C, it is 1,400. Okay, That's for the commission. The next one is rent and rates. Rent and rates. Rent and rates. Look at rent and rate here. Department A 1,640. Department B 1,640 and 1,640. It is equal. Okay. The next one, delivery expenses. We have delivery expenses here. So we have delivery expenses. For Department A, it is 485. 485. Department B, it is 635. And Department C, it is 280. So that's delivery expenses. Okay. The next one is administrative expenses. Okay. The next one is administrative expenses. We have done it here. Look at it here. So we have admin expenses. A is 3040. B is same as 3040 and C 3040. The next one is discount received. Discount received is an income, so it will come here. Discount received. Okay. Okay, we have done for Department A. Look at it here. 462. Department B 693. And Department C 385. Okay, so that is for discount received. The next one is salaries. The next one is salaries. We have done it here equally. So we have salaries. Department A 12,200, B 12,200, C 12,200. Okay, that's for salaries. The next one is advertising. Advertising, it was there, we also cleaned it, so you can see it on your screen there. So advertising, Department A will be 839, Department B 1097, Department C 484. Okay, so that is for advertising. The next one is depreciation. Depreciation, look at it here equally. So we have depreciation. Depreciation. Department A is 1,400. Department B 1,400. Department C 1,400. That's for depreciation. Okay. So the next one is opening stock. We have recorded. Closing stock. We have recorded. Now let's go to the additional information to check if there's anything there that we did that we've not recorded. Advertising, we've recorded. Commission, we've recorded. Delivery expenses, we've recorded. Salaries, recorded. Depreciation, rent and rates, admin expenses, discount received, and insurance. Okay, so that is how you check it. Because if you don't check it like that, you may miss some item. So let's now add up all this to get the net profit or net loss. So okay, let's start from this part. Let's start from here. So Department A, here it is 51,000 plus 462. It will give us 51,462. Okay. Now Department B, 42,000 plus 693 is 42,693. Okay. And Department C, 14,000 plus 385 is 14,385. Okay, so let's come to the expense side for Department A. We have 800 plus 2427 plus 1640 plus 485 plus 3040 plus 12,200 plus 839 and plus 14. It gives me 22,831. So it means here it's greater than this. So if we deduct it from 51,462, we'll have a net profit of 28,631. So that when you add together, you have 51,462. Okay, so that's 51,462. The next one is department B. We'll have 480 plus 3173 plus 1640 plus 635 plus 3040 plus 12,200 plus 1097 plus 14. We have 23,665. So if you deduct minus 52,693 from it, we'll have 29,028, such that we now have 52,693. Okay, while this department C, we have 320 plus 1,400 plus 1640 plus 280 plus 3040 plus 12,200 plus 484 plus 1,400. We'll have 20,764. 20,764. Okay, so it means there is a loss for department C. So we'll have a net loss here. There's a loss for department C because the expenses is more than the income. So if we have here the total year as 20,764, we deduct 14,385 minus 14,385. So we have 6,379. Okay, so this will be 20,764. Okay, so that is that on that. Okay, so that's how to solve question relating to departmental account. Okay, please ensure you like, comment, share this video, and please, we're on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on Instagram, the same name, The King's Tutor. Ensure you follow us on those channels, okay, for more of this. Thank you very much. Ensure you like, please like the video, comment on it, and subscribe. Thank you very much.